How to factory reset your Android device. So the first step is to come to your settings application. Now scroll down and look for system and update. It's over here. Tap on it and now come to reset option. So point note, if you're resetting your Android device, you're resetting the whole system and it will reset. Everything will be like it's a new device. So you have to be careful before you take on this task. And you have to make sure that you've backed up your important information before you do this task. So you come to reset phone here. So when you come to reset phone, you have to scroll down, and here, as you can see, all these are the accounts you have in your Android device. If you reset this phone from this button here, you're going to lose all these accounts and you'll need to put them back again one by one. So if you don't remember their passwords, you're also going to lose them. Otherwise, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please ensure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We shall meet in the next video once again.